Hi guys, what's up? Tim Queen here, and today's question is, can you download all of your connections for offline research? And the answer is yes and no. Now, in the good old days, and a lot of people, like a lot of content that you will see online will refer to the good old days, you could download your connections, which contains a link to the LinkedIn profile, including all of their email addresses, and people would do all kinds of shenanigans with that, send everyone like an email in their email software, and like a lot of people were complaining about this, so LinkedIn removed some of those abilities. Today, you can still download a list of all of your connections, but it has been cut down. There is no direct link to the LinkedIn profile in anymore, and there is no email address anymore, except when the people explicitly turned their privacy settings on and said, yes, please include my email when people want to download their information. And LinkedIn turned this off by default. So there's basically, when you download a copy of your connections, there's no information anymore. Now, some people might use a tool. They might just go to the LinkedIn contacts page and just scrape down the list, but all this would give you would be the links to the LinkedIn profile and nothing else. What I want to tell you instead is, like, don't try to do some kind of magic. Don't do some kind of growth hacking of just processing all of your LinkedIn profiles in whatever manner possible. Like, whether you want to send them automated messages or automate cold emails, don't try this. Instead, try to warm people up in your network. If you do LinkedIn marketing and you share content on the platform consistently, show up every single day, you can warm up all the people. And by publishing the right content and by using the right hashtags, you can actually get them interested in what you have to offer without being spammy. Now, this has the added benefit that you don't have to do that much work in terms of outreach, because people will reach out to you. Now, if you want to learn more about how to do that, I put a link down in the description and in the pinned comment about my LinkedIn Accelerator program, which teaches you exactly my A to Z system, how to generate leads by content marketing on LinkedIn. And if you want to get more videos about LinkedIn marketing and business strategies that really work, make sure that you hit the subscribe button, turn the notification bell on, and I see you in the next video.